So what's up guys, this is Raf and welcome back. And for today's video, we'll be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, which could be the best phone for this year. So I have pre-ordered it via the Samsung website and just received it recently. So this is the titanium gray color with a 12GB of RAM and a 512GB of storage. So without any further ado, let's try to unbox this now. Alright, so here it is, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So my first impression, this phone is really huge to be honest. And those camera bumps are big, really big. Bigger than the iPhone 15. And I really like the color, the titanium color here. It really looks good and premium, personally. And let's try to check here some other things on the box. We have here some paper documentation as usual, and we also have include some Samsung Care Plus free for 6 months on this unit. We also have some paper documentation and of course the USB Type-C cable, and unfortunately there's no power brick. We also got here some SIM ejector tool. So let's remove it from its box. So one big change here is that it's on its display. So right now, it's all flat screen. So no more curved displays anymore. And the bezels are all small and thin, which is really good. And they're all symmetrical right now. One big change also is that it does have a titanium sides already, like what iPhone 15 and Pro Max do have. And it really looks good and premium. Although it's a little bit heavy and edgy because the S24 Ultra is much more squarish phone than before, but it really feels premium in the hand. And this camera bumps, although it's really huge, I don't know, I really like it. The design wise, it's really good, especially with this matte glass back. So let's test as well the S Pen, since this is the S24 Ultra. It's very light and I really like how clicky this is. So let's try to turn this on, and so that we can set this up. This is powered already by Android 14 and One UI 6.1. I have finished setting up this phone now, and this thing really flies. So this is powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, and this is very fast and fluid. Moving from one app to another is really great here. Doing multitasking, it can handle everything here. I tried playing games as well, and it's really very responsive, and it doesn't lag. It's almost iPhone 15 levels here, but much better because it doesn't heat like the iPhone 15s are. So I've tried testing the AI features of this phone, especially Samsung heavily sells this as an AI device, and it works great. It's a good addition. However, since this is an Ultra phone, of course, it's not one of its biggest selling point. The main reason why we will purchase a S24 Ultra, most probably because of its bigger display, its performance, and also its cameras here, which I'll do more testing here, especially with the zoom lens. So this phone is a little bit pricier than before. So it starts now at 1,300 USD. And here in the Philippines, its regular price is around 92,000. And I was able to get it for around 84,000 since this is a pre-order and I got a free upgrade for storage. So I'll be doing more testing as well to check if this phone is really worth it on its price and if it lives up on its Ultra name. So that is my unboxing and first impression for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you soon. Peace out.